Hey y'all, it's Monday. Welcome back to the vlog. Thanks for coming back. I'm happy y'all are here. It's actually already 3:40. I've been working all morning. I did some house things as you saw. And now I'm just taking a little bit of a break. I've just been editing a video that will be going up on my Patreon account and just emails and that sort of thing. It's been actually a pretty good Monday. Compared to my last week, I'm feeling a lot better, a lot more grounded. Had some really amazing connections with some people in my life that I haven't spoken to in a long time. And that has really helped me a lot. And just talking through some things and just being present and allowing myself to feel all that I needed to feel. I really appreciate all the well wishes though. That was really nice, and it really does help to feel like I have a community here that's really supportive, and I really can't thank you enough for being that for me. So I really appreciate that. But I'm hoping to have some better vibes, like just vibe check myself and like you know, have some fun this week. So that's what we're gonna do, and I hope you all are gonna enjoy this vlog too. I just wanted to say hey. Okay, I'll see y'all later, or maybe tomorrow, who the heck knows. Good morning, cuties. It's Tuesday morning. I just finished doing some laundry and now I'm gonna go pick up a couple packages, and then I think I'm gonna go home and answer all the emails that I got this morning, and then go do some grocery shopping because I have barely anything in my house. I've been kind of avoiding grocery shopping because I haven't been super inspired by food recently, or by meals, but I really do need to go grocery shopping, so that's what we're doing. And the weather really sucks today. Not feeling it. Okay, I am back from picking up my packages. I've just been answering emails for like an hour now, but I got an exciting package and it's perfect timing because they're actually sponsoring this video, so let me go get it. Okay, for those of you who are not familiar with iHerb, they are a website that carries like over 30,000 products, and they have like a variety of different categories like supplements, bath, body, what else, home stuff. They have grocery, pet things, all that sort of stuff, and then they have their own line of products as well that are like exclusive to iHerb. So I picked out some stuff. They also have a ton of brands that I think a lot of us are probably all familiar with already, which I will show you. They also show you like all the expiration dates so you can plan accordingly if you're doing a big grocery shop or anything like that. But I think it's just a really great place to get a bunch of stuff in the same place. So I will show you what I got. Okay, first, I don't know if anyone saw my TikTok that I posted a couple days ago about traditional medicinals, but iHerb has them, and if y'all know, I love them. So I got the Immune Zoom, which is lemon ginger, which sounds incredible, and the organic Moringa, which I've never seen in store, so I was really happy that iHerb had it. And this has spearmint and sage, which sounds really tasty. So I always usually like to get teas online because I find that they have a better selection, and iHerb literally has every single kind of traditional medicinal. So that's the first thing I got. Next, I got organic spirulina powder. Their selection of wellness products and supplements and stuff like that is crazy. So basically you just put it into I'm gonna put it into a smoothie and then mix it up with other stuff. I always wanted to try it, and I think it's really awesome to add some greens into my smoothies that I make every day, so I got that. Next, oh, I'm so excited about this. I got some HealthyBiom 50 billion CFU probiotics, 12 active strains. I love taking probiotics. This is the iHerb in-house brand, which I really love. So they are all FDA approved and all that good stuff. I take them because of my chronic UTIs, and I find that they're really helpful just to get all my gut health good and stuff like that. Next, I'm super excited about this. They also had a wide variety of like facial and bath and body products. This is one of my favorite creams for the wintertime. This is the Weleda Skin Food, their original one, and it's a really thick cream. It's amazing, and I put this on my face, believe it or not. I think people will probably freak out about how that, because it's so thick, but I love it so much. And I love that iHerb carries it. They also have a rewards program, so you can refer people, give them $5, and then when they use your coupon, you get $5 back, which is really awesome. Okay, last thing I got that I'm really excited about. I've been wanting to try these for years, and they're the 4 Sigmatic mushroom coffee mix with lion's mane, and they have just individual little packages like this, which I thought would be so great for like camping or anytime where I'm on the go that I need caffeine but have it handy. So you just mix it with hot water and then drink it, which is really awesome. And it has a bunch of different mushrooms in it. So it has like lion's mane, it has chaga in it, and then it has rhodiola as well, which I heard is really good for like energy levels. So I'm very excited about that. I will leave a link and everything that you need to know, promo codes and all that sort of stuff down below, and it'll be on the screen here as well if you do want to check out iHerb and any of the products they have. Like I said, they have literally everything, 30,000 products, so many different categories. You can basically find everything there, but I'm really excited with the stuff that I got, and I honestly think I might make one of these teas right now. And thank you to iHerb for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna get back to work for a little bit, and then I think I'm gonna walk to the grocery store because I got a really good primo parking spot outside of my building when I got home today, and I don't want to move my car because I don't want to lose it. So I think I'm gonna ixnay on my previous grocery shopping plans and actually just walk to the store and get a few things for dinner. I might make like a soup or something tonight, I don't know. Started my morning off with a really nice long walk with my mom. We did about 10 kilometers, which was amazing. It wasn't super nice outside, but the sun was just starting to come out as we were coming home, so that was really lovely. And then I made a coffee. I tried the 4 Sigmatic coffee and it was so good and so easy to make. I definitely will be repurchasing more of those from iHerb. Then I had a shower and I got ready, and I sat on my computer for probably 3 or 4 hours just editing and going through some things. And I just got home from the grocery store and got a bunch of produce, which has been long overdue. I've been kind of eating not many fresh produce, so I was really happy to get my fridge stocked up again. Feeling really grateful that I have access to all this yummy food very close to me. So did that, and now it's about 3 o'clock, and I think I'm gonna make some lunch for myself, some sort of vegetables, I think, and then I'm gonna get back to work. Really mellow, routine-filled day, which felt really good. I find that I'm really loving just being in a routine, and I feel so much more grounded and able to do everything to my fullest when I'm in my routine zone. So feeling really good today. It's a good Wednesday. I hope you also had a really good Wednesday, wherever you are. Okay, I got my comfy clothes. Made myself a green smoothie because I was feeling like I needed some greens. And now I think I'm gonna do my nails because I feel like it. And I feel like I should get them done before I start making dinner and stuff. Okay, while I sit on the floor and do my nails, I also wanted to quickly shout out a YouTuber that I've been watching so much that I'm gonna watch while I'm doing my nails, and it's Paige Wassel. She is an interior designer and she just makes these amazing review videos of like the AD home videos and just celebrities in their homes, but also just giving her design advice. Anyways, I really like her and she's just so candid and well spoken, and I think you should go check her out if you haven't already. So okay, now I'm actually gonna go do my nails.
This is gonna take you on a different direction. Usually I'm showing you these like cozy countryside vlogs.
Hi cuties. So it's much later. It's 7:45 and we are just making some pizzas for dinner. And I've just been feeling pretty anxious all day, but also just like reflecting on my day. And I got a lot of stuff done, but I'm finding it with vlogging so consistently that I equate a lot of what I do with my day and how I present it to y'all as like a direct correlation and reflection of who I am as a person. And so a lot of the times when I don't film or I don't feel like my vlog was really cool or like really good shots where the lighting was all perfect and I edit it the exact way that I want or any of that stuff, it really takes a toll on how I feel about myself in real life, which I think is really concerning to me, because obviously this is just a very small part of my real life and who I am as a person, and I'm really trying hard not to put so much of my productivity and like my online presence as like a direct correlation to who I am in real life. And so I've just been reflecting and thinking about how even though I came home from a very productive, really great day, I've been still feel anxious and feel like I didn't do enough or like didn't get the coolest shots or like didn't look amazing in all the shots and all this stupid stuff. Anyways, it's definitely sometimes catches up with me thinking about what it actually means to like vlog my life and to have everything, I don't know, just like trying to make it look cool and whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna say goodbye for tonight and I will see you all cuties in the morning. And tomorrow is Friday, so hopefully that means good things for us. Howdy doody cuties, it's Friday I have not vlogged all day and it's already 3 because Cav and I have been shooting a project all day, which was honestly, it went well, but it was stressful for me at least. I got my cozy clothes on and I'm just going to go through some of the photos. I still need to drop off a roll of film. And I don't really know what I have planned for the rest of today. There's lots of things I probably could do, but I don't feel like doing. That's the only update I have for y'all. I found a desk on Facebook Marketplace. I found a desk yesterday night on Facebook Marketplace and my mom is gonna help me move it tomorrow. But today, Cav and I are gonna move out my old desk because obviously I don't need it anymore, do I, love?
You start talking like that, like there's no way you put that in.
That I'm just a little bit silly and goofy sometimes, huh, bruv? This is how I talk 90% of the time. I'm also obsessed with the pineapple bubbly. I didn't know they made pineapple, but they do and they're so good. I think these are just Canadian though. Better than LaCroix? I don't know. I think so. Maybe. Anyways, okay, bye.